Hello friends, in this video of SEO course, today we are going to learn how to do blog posting and submission. It's one of the most important activities in of page SEO. And if you can write good quality blogs, and if you can search quality websites or high authority sites, and manage to post on them, you'll see very quickly that your website's ranking on Google or other search engines starts climbing rapidly right to the top page. So I'll teach you the right methods, that what you should keep in mind and how to do it practically. So pay attention, learn it carefully and practice well. If you want to learn any future courses or have any doubts, you can let us know in the comments section below. So friends, as you can see, here on the screen, right, is it visible? So this is the website. I have specially found a really great site for you all for blog posting, and it is myworldgo.com. So here we will show you how you can do blog posting. But if you want to check out more websites like free websites where you can post blogs and create backlinks, then for that you have to search on Google. So write blog posting, or you can also write submission sites. All right, when you will write blog posting sites, then you'll get many such websites, and this website provides 100 plus blog submission sites. Okay, and you will find many other websites which will provide you with a list of new websites, and you can go there. Just click like I have done. So go there and see the websites and you can check them out, which all websites are there. So by going here, you will get the entire list and everything. And you'll also find their authority, DAPA, all that stuff. But you simply can't just trust any random site like that. For example, let's say I found this website. You can choose any site from this list that you want to post a blog on. What's the way of doing that? You will open its website, then you will copy its URL. Then there you can type DAPA checker. Many websites will appear before you like websitechecker.com, Moz or DAPA checker and many other. So let's use Moz. Now in Moz, we will search the DAPA of this website and what is its authority. So it's showing myworldgo.com has domain authority 45, which is good. That's a good score. Along with this, there are approximately 16,000 root domain links. It is ranking low on keywords and its spam score is fine. It is good. Authority wise, the website looks good and overall seems fine. So if it seems good, then only create backlinks on it, because the more backlinks you create on quality websites, especially high authority websites, then you'll get the benefit and also see your website's domain and page authority. And remember, it should be better than that. Okay. And also you have to do the posting within the category and blogs which is relevant to that. So let's start on this website. So for blog posting, first you should have a well written blog ready with you. Like I have a sample demo blog ready for you. I have written it beforehand so that we can save time. So I have done this homework. First, to create an account, enter the email ID. So it is info@marketingfundas.com. All right. Also keep in mind to use the same email ID that you are using for your off-page SEO activities. Okay. So that this email ID is used everywhere. And whatever email ID and password you set, do save them in a sheet somewhere, as it's useful for reporting and for checking. They are useful for creating accounts again. Now enter password. Okay, look here, it's done. So now here we will have to fill in our personal information. Let's quickly fill the details. Okay, now let's add our website here. We have created a dummy website for you to learn, so we'll use that website. And if you have the link of any of your social media account like Facebook, Twitter, then add here. And then here you can see I am digital marketing expert. Okay, I've written dummy information here, but write good information about yourself so that others are impressed by it. Okay, we'll save after filling all these details. Now let's add a cover photo here. Okay, so now let's choose the file. If you want to skip, you can, but please add as much information as it is possible. It's always better for you if you provide it. So for now, I'll just put a dummy image, okay? Okay, so we'll use any one image. It's loading a bit. Once it is done, we'll proceed, okay? Now we'll save it. Alright, now click on save photo. Now it's saying invite your friends. So we'll skip these things for now. We're not inviting anyone, okay? So here we will go to these lines you see on the left side, and here are the options. Look, it is a little bit dim, but it is visible, right? Here the option for blogs are appearing. I will click on them. After clicking, it will take us to the blog section. We will go to new blog because we will add our new blog here. Now there are some fields here. Let's fill them first. We'll enter the title. So we'll go to our blog, and from here I've copied the title. Okay, got that? And we went back and then we've pasted the title here. If we need to add keyword tags, so we'll add like digital marketing agency. Okay, then put a comma. Google Ads Management, PPC, ads service. Like this, you can add some keywords. Make sure they are separated by commas. Now in the category section, let's see what we have here. Since my marketing category isn't here, I can choose education. But because mine is about services, so I will not choose education. Okay, I'll put general if category is not here. So you can pick technology or general. If your option isn't listed, then you can choose general category. We'll add a short description. Description is important. Now I will take a small description from the site, okay? And now we've taken small description for dummy. And I've pasted it. And here my main content, the blog that I have already written. We'll copy that. And we'll paste the entire blog. So it's copied. Now paste it. Now there are many features just as it is in Word. If you want, you can make it bold, add color or highlight it according to your need. Now for example here, it's written Google Ads Service or Google Ads Service in Delhi. So on this particular keyword, if I want to provide a link and I have to add a hyperlink, then I'll go to insert, then I'll go to link and I'll put URL of my website. So I will put the URL on homepage. So if anyone wants the service, they can click and come to my website. Now enter URL and do OK. Look here, this has become a hyperlink. Anyone who reads the blog and clicks here will come to my website. So this is how all these things are added. And now let's just add a beautiful picture here. So for time being, I will put the logo in the photo section, alright? This is done, logo is added. Now just enter location. New Delhi. The location is of India. Now you don't need to add anything else here. If something important is needed, add it. Otherwise, I'll just submit. After creating the blog, ensure you write good quality content. My entire blog has been submitted here and it's complete. Okay. Now if I need to click on view entry, then I'll go to view entry. So you can see here my complete URL has been created. I can save this now and keep it in my sheet, alright? And if I have to send it to someone, I can copy and send this URL. My blog has been properly created and now anyone can read it and comment here. Okay? I've given the link. If anyone will click, they'll be directed to my website. In this way, we can properly do everything, all right? And now you can also do blog posting very easily in this same way on different websites, all right? I hope you've understood it. Thank you.